Alright, make it green again.
Just a little bit.
This one's the... which one? Is copper? Awesome. Oh, green flame.
You can take over.
Alright, which one's this one? Calcium? Ooh, potassium. That one's... oh, that's orange.
This one's red.
Yep. Red? What is that? Calcium? Oh, yeah. There we go. Oops, sorry. Which one?
Was somebody good with me?
Pardon? What's this one? Sodium.
Purple is actually really hard.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't know
That's just
this,
orange.
But so this is what
That
makes
wasn't
fireworks.
Yeah. Okay.
You have different metals. and
Yeah,
then
the green one's cool.
they have colors, and so that's what makes fireworks colors. Purple fireworks didn't come into being until like less than 10 years, because there isn't a metal that actually burns purple, and so they have to use like mixtures to make purple, and it's actually pretty difficult.